Young Sporting Club Litan Pokpi Secretary Waikom Nauba expressed strong disapproval over the government's stoic silence on unauthorized construction of roads at Lockhao and Uyokching by cookies. He was speaking on the sidelines of a sit-in protest against the matter at Litan Pokpi Kaithil today. Speaking further, Nauba asserted that cookies have been consistently trying to construct roads at Lockhao and Uyokching without the government's approval in the aftermath of the ongoing crisis. He continued that the locals of Litan Pokpi, along with SP concerned, have even inspected the site on October 30th, besides raising the matter to DC concerned. Nauba went on to decry that the CRPF post stationed at the location allowed the cookies to construct the road, while the authorities concerned have not taken up any tangible step to address the issue, despite complaining the matter to Manipur Chief Secretary and DC concerned. Women Welfare Association Litan Pokpi President Nahakpam Binodini also decried the government's inaction against the alleged unauthorized construction of roads by cookies. She further announced that the locals of Litan Pokpi, along with CSOs, have decided to look after the matter and defend their territories in case the government failed to stop the unauthorized construction of roads within 3 days.
Cookie chingna koi Litan Pokpi gi maning ching sida tauriba lanji haurak padagi thengkhang kayarak hanjan tauraga koi si mathak sida koi Litan Pokpi gi Uyokching sida cookie chingna lambi kaksalakre akoi da hujik pokta madugi government gi side tagi haitare ko karigumba response ama bok phangidre adu chupchap ta hujik si karigumbi imta government gi side tagi akoi na tanjaram iba demanding habadi maroina akoi si ka iba lambi si forest department gi kanodagi ayaba yauraga kakpajunate adagi kanagumba government gi authority amata dagi ayaba yauraga kakpajunate adu cookie singna tauribasi thingbiyu kaiba lambi si destroy tawbiyu aduga lambi kakpadasu ayaba pibiriba 133 battalion CRPF se siju lauthokbiyo na khoi chief secretary masamakta ha ama pharakadore ko khoi asukuiba matam si demand taujaraga lakpani ngasi dagi numi humni babugi manungda government gi side tagi karigumba action amata lobiraktaba taragadi akhoi gi apambagi matungina karigumba thabak amata tawbiraktaba taragadi numit humni jigi matungda Manipur da lairiba CSO sing khusamnaraga akhoi gi lamse government gi side tagi ngakpa ngamdrabanina akhoi ishana ngakcherage haibagi laijare akhoi gi khungangi oina sapchabi firemni
koina mamang da su disida yes da akoi se pisan jagrabani adu moina action lamata lokhat piraktre aduna mokoina makhata na action lokhat pirakta ba targadi masi akoi leitang bi khunja sing praja sing punamak kaloina na akoi Manipur gi CEO singa akoi tana jaraga akan ba khongjang akoi leptana sangjan jarani